I have 22 bones inside my head. The frontal forms my eyebrows and forehead. I have two each of parietals, below them the temporals, the occipital forms the back of my dear head. I have 22 bones, or so it goes. The ethmoid forms the cavity of my nose. The sphenoid forms a pocket and gives my eyes a socket, and the vomer forms the septum in my nose. I have 22 bones, or so to speak. The zygomatics give shape to my cheeks. Maxillary's upper jaw, the mandibles down below, and the nasals bridge my nose so it's not weak. I have 22 bones and I know why. The palatines form the palate deep inside. The inferior nasal conchae support my mucous membranes, and the lacrimals hold the duct so I can cry.